Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make detergent powder, either for domestic use or for commercial purposes. But before we go into the production proper, let me list the precautions you need to take as you embark upon this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin by using hand gloves. Use nose mask to avoid choking odor. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Please ensure that you keep to this instruction in order to avoid any hazard. Powdered detergent can be made from the following materials. These are palm kernel oil, caustic soda, soda ash light, sodium silicate, kaolin, sodium sulfate, sulfonic acid or sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide, ammonia solution, color, and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 1000 grams of powdered detergent. Palm kernel oil 1 liter, caustic soda 250 grams, soda ash light 75 grams, sodium silicate 40 ml, kaolin 3 tablespoons, hydrogen peroxide 60 ml, sodium sulfate 3 tablespoons, sulfonic acid 60 ml, ammonia solution 90 ml, color 10 grams, and perfume 40 ml. Now let me show you the chemicals and materials needed for this particular production. Alright, these are the materials and chemicals we're going to be using for this particular production. Here we have caustic soda crystals, that is sodium hydroxide crystals. Now this is our soda ash light. This is palm kernel oil, also known as PKO. This is sodium silicate, sulfonic acid, and this is kaolin. This is hydrogen peroxide, and this is sodium sulfate. Here is ammonia solution. This is the color we're going to use, and this is the perfume we're using. Here we have some cups for measurement of the materials. And this is the bowl we're going to use to prepare the two reagents. We also have some conical flasks and beakers for measurement. And this is a mixing bowl with a wooden stirrer. It is advisable for you to use wooden stirrer. And these are our weighing scale. Now we're going to prepare our first reagent, which is caustic soda solution. We are measuring 250 grams of caustic soda. Now we are measuring 1000 centimeter cube of water, which is about 1 liter. We'll now dissolve the 250 grams of caustic soda in 1000 cm cube of water, that is about 1 liter of water. So now we are dissolving the 250 grams of caustic soda in 1000 centimeter cube of water. Now after dissolving the 250 grams of caustic soda in 1000 cm cube, we're going to keep this preparation for 48 hours before we use it. Let it stand for 48 hours before we use it to do our preparation. So now we're going to prepare the second reagent, which is a solution of soda ash light, kaolin, and sodium sulfate. So now we are measuring 75 grams of soda ash light, which is about half milk tin. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of kaolin to it, and also 3 tablespoons of sodium sulfate. 3 tablespoons of sodium sulfate. Now measure 800 ml of water, which is about 0.8 liters. Now dissolve all the salt in it, that is in the 800 ml of water. The soda ash light, the kaolin and sodium sulfate, dissolve all this in 800 ml of water. That's about 0.8 liter. Now stir it properly and keep it for 24 hours. Okay, stir it properly and keep it for 24 hours. This solution will stand for 24 hours before usage. Now the solution of caustic soda will stand for 48 hours before usage, while the solution of soda ash light, kaolin and sulfate will stand for 24 hours before usage. Now you may ask, why do we have to keep this solution for 24 hours or 48 hours before usage? Well, it is a methodology which we have tested to give better quality, especially with detergent production. Okay, it is a methodology which have been tested to give a better quality in detergent production. You may choose not to do it so, but the quality may not be as good as when you adopt this method. Alright, our 2 reagents are ready. The caustic soda solution. This is the caustic soda solution. It was prepared 48 hours ago. And this is the solution of soda ash light, kaolin and sodium sulfate. It was prepared 24 hours ago, and the solutions are ready. We're now going to mix the 2 of them. Here we are using a milk tin, so we're going to measure 1 cup of PKO. We're measuring 1 cup of PKO, then we will take a little out of it to dissolve our color. Just a little of this to dissolve our color. You can use any color of your choice. Here we are using yellow, and we just need a small quantity of it. We don't want much color, just a pinch of it will be enough. Stir it so that it dissolves properly. When it is properly dissolved, then you can add more oil to it. In that way, the dissolution of the color becomes easier. Alright? Our color is properly dissolved now, so we're going to add more oil to it. Here we're using a total of 3 cups of PKO. We're going to add 2 more. This is making it 3 cups of PKO. So dissolve it properly now so that the color can go around. Alright, the color is uniform now all around the oil. So now we're going to add our caustic soda solution to the oil. As you are pouring the caustic soda solution, stir it properly. Alright, now add the solution of soda ash light, kaolin and sodium sulfate to it. As you add, please stir properly. Alright, just keep stirring it. Make sure you stir properly. This is hydrogen peroxide and we're going to add 60 ml of hydrogen peroxide to the preparation. Alright, this is ammonia. We're going to add ammonia solution to it now, and we are going to add 90 ml of ammonia solution to it. Now don't be scared by its watery nature. As you proceed, the preparation is going to thicken up. As a matter of fact, detergent formation process requires thickening up of this liquid with time. Now we're going to add sodium silicate to it. We're going to add 40 ml of sodium silicate to it. Now we're going to add sulfonic acid to it. Here we're having 60 ml of sulfonic acid. You can also use sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfonic acid is a very mild acid, whereas sulfuric acid is a concentrated acid. So if you're using sulfuric acid, you have to be very careful because it's a very dangerous acid. But here we're using sulfonic acid. This is what makes soap different from detergent because of the sulfonation process, especially if you are using sulfuric acid. I usually encourage beginners to start with sulfonic acid because it's mild, even though the reaction is going to take time for it to set, but it's mild for you to handle as a beginner. So keep stirring the solution. The reaction have started. Any moment from now it will start thickening up until it gets harder and harder. Just keep stirring. So now we're going to add perfume to it. You have to put enough perfume to be able to overcome the ammonia odor. Ammonia solution has a pungent odor. It's slightly offensive. So if you don't have enough perfume, the ammonia odor will become the odor of your detergent, so add enough perfume to it. You can choose any perfume you want, but always remember that perfume is used to brand a product. A good perfume makes your product stand out. As you can see, the mixture is getting thicker and thicker. Just keep stirring it. You can see it's much thicker now. Now this is how your mixture looks like after 1 hour. Keep the mixture standing like this for about 5 hours. After 5 hours, spread in the sun and allow it to dry up. Drying may take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 days depending on the intensity of the sun. After drying, you can now grind the product into powder. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/@sunshineresources_SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page @Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.